comparing yourself to bigger sellers. That's kind of what you would spend your mental energy on every so often. Is that right?
Yeah, very much so. Yeah, and it's one thing you can't control. Like, if you're sitting looking at other people all the time, well, there's very little you can do about that. You can set out a plan for where you want to go and work towards that. But like, let's face it, the biggest seller on Amazon is Amazon. Am I ever going to beat them? No, you're not. It's like concealer, you're not going to beat the house, but I can still try and be the best in the UK. I regularly get within the top 10,000 sellers monthly, but that is only based on reviews, not turnover, so it's not exactly accurate. And I have friends that are regularly in the top 3 or 400 or even the top 100 based on reviews. But yeah, it's one of them things where I do have to try and control that a bit and realize that we're all on our own journey, and my journey isn't looking too bad these days. And I should probably be grateful for what I've achieved.